14% of workers have already had their job changed by AI. For 5%, it's already gone. Are you next? Those aren't predictions. That's not a headline from 2035. That's happening right now to real people in real industries. And the number is only going up. But here's the thing, most people asking, will AI take my job, are asking the wrong question. Today, we're going to ask the right one.
Here's the framework that changed how I think about this. Forget about jobs for a second. Think about tasks. Every job, yours, mine, your boss's, is just a bundle of tasks. Some of those tasks are routine, predictable, rule-based, and those, AI eats those for breakfast. But some tasks require judgment, empathy, creativity, or physical dexterity, and those, AI is still remarkably bad at them. Let's be honest first. AI is genuinely good at a shocking number of things, and if we pretend otherwise, we're not helping anyone. AI can write a solid first draft faster than any human. That doesn't mean it's always right, but it removes the blank page problem forever. Give an AI 10 years of sales data, and it will find patterns your best analyst would miss in seconds. Junior developers are already feeling this. AI can write functional code for common tasks faster than most entry-level programmers. The repetitive parts of customer service, answering FAQs, routing tickets, handling simple returns, are almost entirely automatable right now. Reading 200 papers and summarizing the key findings, AI does it in minutes. That's hours of junior researcher work gone.
Now, here's where it gets interesting because AI has some spectacular blind spots, and understanding them is what gives you an edge. AI is a world class remix machine. It recombines what it's seen before, but truly, new problems, the kind where no playbook exists, still break it. A therapist, a nurse, a great manager, they read the room. They sense when something is off. AI can simulate empathy, it cannot feel it, and most people can tell the difference. Should we launch this product even though the data is inconclusive? Should we fire this person or give them another chance? These are judgment calls. They require values, context, and accountability. AI can inform that decision, but you don't want it making it alone. Robots are incredible in controlled factories, but a plumber dealing with a unique pipe setup in a 1960s house, that requires adaptability. AI-powered robots still can't reliably pull off. The best leaders don't just make decisions, they build belief, they inspire, they navigate politics and personality. No AI has figured out how to make someone genuinely want to follow it. So let's put this together. Here's a simple way to think about where any job sits on the AI risk spectrum. Notice something? It's not about whether your job sounds impressive. A senior accountant might be more at risk than a plumber. The question is always, what are the actual tasks and how many of them are routine? Okay, so what do you do with all this? I'm not going to tell you to panic. I'm also not going to tell you to ignore it. Here's what I actually think makes sense. Write down every major thing you do in a week. Then ask, is this routine and predictable? Or does it require real judgment? That map tells you where you're vulnerable and where you're protected. The people who lose their jobs to AI won't be replaced by AI. They'll be replaced by people who know how to use AI. There is a massive difference. Start using these tools today. Relationships, judgment, creativity, leadership. If you're not actively developing these, start. These are the skills that compound in an AI world. Every technology panic in history, the printing press, the industrial revolution, the internet was followed by more jobs, not fewer, different jobs. The question is never, will there be work? It's what kind of work. So, is your job safe? Probably not entirely. But here's the thing, it never was. Jobs change, industries shift. The workers who thrive aren't the ones who avoided change, they're the ones who ran toward it. AI is not the end of work, it's a shift in what work means. And the best time to understand that shift is right now. If you found this useful, subscribe. Next week, we're going to look at which industries are betting everything on AI and which ones are quietly preparing to be disrupted. See you then.
Fourteen percent of workers have already had their job changed by AI. For 5%, it's already gone. Are you next? Those aren't predictions. That's not a headline from 2035. That's happening right now to real people in real industries. And the number is only going up. But here's the thing, most people asking, will AI take my job, are asking the wrong question. Today, we're going to ask the right one.